Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what is access control. When we are saying access control, what's come in our mind? Maybe like we have a server, over there we have some critical data and we want to give access to certain people at certain level. That's access control. No, this is just not only the access control. There can be lot of things in access control. Okay, as you can see in this picture, there are this is showing different things. Okay, access control can be to the network access. For example, we have someone who is not belong to our company. Okay, so we have a separate network for them. Guest access. We are just giving to them, not the complete access of our uh, in enterprise access. Okay, so isolated network or someone accessing our infrastructure, our employee from remote locations. So through the VPN, we have a separate section only restricted to that area. Okay, so it can be network access or on certain hosts. Maybe on a PC, you are saying, okay, this PC is just belong to a specific user, and only that user will have access on it. Okay, this can be access control. Another thing can be like in this screen you can see there are a software is running. Okay, and in uh, this guy is at L1 rank, and they are not having the right to access all the components of it. Okay, or the APIs of it. So some screen, some part of that software restricted to it. So the administrator will assign a role. Yes, this is your role. As per that role, you can see only the certain part of that particular screen. Okay. What else can be the access control on certain database, a certain area we can allocate. Okay, this is the area that is assigned to finance department. Only the finance people can have access on it. Okay, or what can be the access control on the memory or the transmission media. We can say this is the tunnel. On specific tunnel, our head office and the branch office will communicate only, so that we are putting control on a network that's belong to 10. For example, say we are saying network 10.1.1/24. This is the traffic which is allowed to communicate with our head office through the tunnel. So just we can also controlling the transmission or transmission media, okay, and allowing certain traffic. There can be a private or protected variables which can allow to have access. So access control can be lot many things. It's just not only a server and is giving access to specific people. And more we understand the access control about our assets, whether that's our hardware, software, applications, okay, our transmission media, our bandwidth, when we will be able to understand the proper magnitude of it and who should be accessible to those resources, then we would be able to control our access. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can also understand access control is just not only giving a certain right on a specific server or the application. Access control is much more broader, and you need to also understand different aspect of access control. Okay, so see you in the next session. Namaste.